We're here at the Fairmont Scottsdale Princess sharing all things summer and community. And joining me now is my friend, Director of Sales and Marketing, Pam Gilbert, to tell us more. Welcome, Pam.
Thank you, Erica.
Thanks for having us.
I appreciate you coming.
It's Superhero Summer at the Princess, so tell us more about what guests can expect when they come.
Well, you know, every summer we create a new theme. And this summer, it just seemed perfect to celebrate superheroes. Summer is packed full of fun during our Superhero Summer at the Princess. We celebrate water. We've got 5 sparkling pools this summer, all activated for kids' fun. From dive-in movies, and you can expect a superhero theme this summer, to our Superhero Fun Squad that's going from Sunset Beach and Sonora and Splash. We have foam parties that are happening. We have a dance party with incredible lights, black lights, fun times, poolside for the Federation of Superheroes to celebrate. You'll see a bat signal in the sky at night. Lots of fun.
Absolutely. Sounds like so much fun. Now, speaking of hope and inspiration, giving back to the community is something very important here at the Fairmont Scottsdale Princess. Can you share a little bit about the programs that you support?
We really want to, in all of the communities that we have hotels, do good for the community, be an active part of helping the community flourish. And so one of our focuses is being involved with local charities. You know, every Christmas from Love Up to this summer, we're supporting Mask. Now, we do that with our very good partners with Cox Charities. They invest in grants and activities and technology for all of these wonderful charities that are helping families and young people in the community. So it's a really worthwhile program that we're really thrilled to support.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for everything that the Fairmont Scottsdale Princess continues to do for our community. Now, the family fun extends well beyond summer, and it's actually seasonal. Can you tell us a little bit more about what we can expect year-round?
Just around the corner is Christmas at the Princess. And during Christmas at the Princess, we work with Cox Charities and support Love Up, a foundation that helps kids in crisis. And it's a program that's near and dear to our heart, and we're so excited to introduce new Christmas at the Princess this year with a fabulous new winter wonderland with lots of surprises that I know guests will want to come back, enjoy the skating, the train, meet Santa, and just have real old-fashioned Christmas fun.
Absolutely. One of my personal favorites, Christmas at the Princess, for sure. Well, thank you so much, Pam, for having us out today. We appreciate your time as always. If you'd like more information on the Fairmont Scottsdale Princess and all they have to offer, just head over to the website that's on your screen. If you'd like to see more inspirational videos like this one, just make sure to subscribe.